In this video, I'll show you how to download Spectrum TV on your Samsung Smart TV. This is easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have a Samsung TV like my own and you want to install or download Spectrum TV to that Samsung TV, then what you can do. Now, if you search on App Store, you're not going to see the application. If you search on Google Play Store, maybe you have Google Play Store installed. So we're going to use the application called Downloader. Downloader is a very useful application for all Samsung Smart TVs. If you don't download on your Smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there to Downloader. And once you get downloaded on your Samsung Smart TV, launch it, and here's how it's going to look like. So what Downloader does is that it helps you install files, APKs, apps, media from across the internet. All you have to do is come to a search box here and then type in the right keyword and then click on go. When you click on go, it's going to show you where you can download exactly what you're searching for from the internet or the web. So once you come over here, you can see here the various application on your result page. So if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see Spectrum TV, and here's the right option. So you have to click on that, and the Spectrum TV is supported on in your location or your smart TV. You're just going to see the install button here, and you can go ahead and install the application to your Samsung Smart TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like